If your Scotsman ice machine suddenly stops making ice or starts flashing confusing lights, don't panic. Most issues are easier to fix than they seem. Welcome to PartsFe. When these machines malfunction, the problem is often related to the electronic control system, so begin by unplugging the unit to ensure safety. Check the basics next, including proper power supply, an untripped breaker, an open water valve, good water flow, and clear ventilation. Scotsman machines use error codes to show what's wrong. Code 1 means long freeze times caused by scale buildup or low refrigerant. Code 2 indicates long harvest times when ice is not releasing properly. Code 3 signals slow water fill from restricted valves or filters. Code 4 points to high discharge temperatures from dirty condenser coils or poor airflow. Codes 5 and 7 involve faulty sensors, and Code 8 means the freeze cycle is too short and the ice is too thin. If the issue is linked to a faulty control system, replacing it with a reliable ice machine control kit can restore proper operation. After fixing the problem, reset the unit by turning it off and restarting it. Some models let you clear error codes using the manual harvest and clean buttons. Most problems can be solved with simple cleaning, checking water flow, and maintaining condenser coils. If the machine still doesn't perform or continues showing errors, a technician may be needed to inspect sensors, valves, or refrigeration components. For trusted commercial ice machine replacement parts, visit PartsFe.com in the USA, UK, and Canada. Follow us on social media for more expert appliance repair tips from PartsFe.